Now, I want to talk about hookup today. Two things are involved in hookup. Either the guy don't get interest for you, or you don't get interest for the guy. If the guy they get interest for you, two things are involved. Either you sabi do bicycle kick, roundout, all those things wey they do. You understand what I'm saying? Or you get number 6. If the guy don't like you, two things are involved. Either you sabi do ta 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 and bo 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 and boom 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 and I'm telling you. Or you get money. Maybe later I will break those things down. I will still talk about the two things that are involved in the things and things. Wey dey inside the things and things wey I talk about now. Please stay with us. Don't move.